Hi, I'm Dr. Christopher Bunick, Associate Professor of Dermatology at Yale School of Medicine, and your Editor-in-Chief of Dermatology Times. For patients that have atopic dermatitis, they have a compromised skin barrier, and sometimes certain sunscreen ingredients could cause burning, stinging, that actually exacerbate atopic dermatitis. Sometimes heat and sweat also can exacerbate atopic dermatitis. When choosing a sunscreen, if you have atopic dermatitis or a child or a sibling with atopic dermatitis and their skin is extra sensitive, there are some hypoallergenic products out there that have sunscreens but don't have a lot of the chemicals that may cause burning, stinging, or irritation of the skin. Those would certainly be preferred. In addition, continuing to make sure you moisturize and protect that skin barrier as much as possible is important. If you're in the water, such as a pool with a lot of chlorine or in an ocean, sometimes those bodies of water can actually dry out and cause atopic dermatitis to get worse. It is very important to pay attention to the types of water, the length of time in water, and the different chemicals being exposed to, not just in the water, but also in sunscreens, because they can exacerbate atopic dermatitis flares through that compromised skin barrier. If you're a patient or you have a family member who has bad atopic dermatitis and it's detracting from their ability to swim or enjoy sports because the sweating is hurting their skin, one of the most memorable patients that I have had was a gentleman in his 30s who wanted to be able to swim, but he couldn't swim without pain, skin pain, because of his atopic dermatitis. I put him on Dupilumab, and not only did his skin do phenomenal, but his quality of life was restored through the roof because he could go swimming now comfortably and without any burning, stinging, or discomfort. This is a great example of where if someone's quality of life is affected, they're not able to swim, they're not able to participate in sports this summer, see a dermatologist because there are advanced therapies that could change that person's life.